mice aren't on anything, are they? Are they on
No,
fondant discs or anything?
no,
They're just sitting
no,
right.
they're just sitting there, and that's the
Smack dab on
beauty
the
of
Nice.
the beauty of the candy clay. Not only is it food safe, but it's really nice in that it's firm enough. It doesn't need a board underneath it. Now, if you're doing something really heavy, a really big piece, you definitely want something to support underneath your cake. You may have to put dowels in if they're really heavy, but these aren't. These aren't going to hurt my cake. This is a real cake. It's just a white cake. I got to turn this so I can see it. So we get our. We'll make that pretty. Maybe I use some.
You're sticking the wires right into the cake?
No, I'm sticking them in fondant.
You're sticking the wires right into the fondant?
Yeah, on top, a little piece on top. I don't
Gotcha.
stick wires in cakes. That's a no-no.
I was going to ask. I was going to
No,
say.
it's in a fondant piece
Okay.
back there, just at the base. And then this I'm going to attach just right there. So let me get a little bit of frosting.
So is the icing displaced? The fondant? It looks like the mice are sitting on little discs. It looks like they're.
Oh, that's,
little
you know, I attached them with royal, whoops, I attached them with royal icing with some chocolate the other day.
I
Actually put
gotcha.
chocolate on them.
Gotcha.
I was
Okay.
sloppy.
All right.
Yeah, I know.
Gotta put her hat back on. She's getting cold. Her
Well,
beret,
maybe she
sorry.
should, you know, put a jacket and cover her top up a little bit there,
Little beret.
Missy.
Oh.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to attach this with a little bit of, I've got some white royal icing. Let me go grab it. It's a little dry. That's okay. It'll work.
And what is this substance here?
This is just from royal icing.
Royal icing.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want the wire to stick. Let's see if we can get it. The good news is that these are actually really lightweight.
Oh, yeah.
And if they don't, then I can just attach them directly onto the Eiffel Tower. My icing is not cooperating, so we'll just attach them directly. But what I can do is I can take a little bit of my piping gel, which is right here. Since these are really lightweight,
Yeah.
little
There
bit
are
of,
those that dip the wire in chocolate.
yep, oh yeah, and insert it. I've done that. I do that with my flowers.
Yep.
I dip it in chocolate and insert it. See, just a little bit of piping gel on there, and you can just attach it, because they're really lightweight.
Look at that. Awesome.
So they don't have to be on, on a wire, if you don't want the wire. Okay,
Very cool.
did we get everything?
I think we got it all. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Tami Utley, yay! Look at that. Yeah, we'll give it a nice close-up of everything.
Yeah, and I'll finish it off, so it's,
Yeah, we're gonna finish the,
I'm gonna use the small, I
Video.
don't know if I'll use the smaller Eiffel Tower or not.
that's just adorable. Very cool, excellent. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us here at the Yummy Arts Kitchen. One more giant round of applause, Tami Utley. There she is, great. Thank you, gang.
Thank you so much for coming, everyone.
Thank you, talk to you soon.